Major Bhupinder Singh's heroic story, favorite posting days, Arunachal Pradesh, from music videos to ad, I never broke. In the silence of our great mountains, work speaks. मुझे खाने पीने का बहुत शौक है मैम, आज टाइम से Nimrit, all of us here felt a very moving moment just now, witnessing Major Bhupinder Singh's heroic story and watching you unveil the bust of your father and the installation at Beacon. It reminded us that true heroes never fade away. They live on in stone, in stories, and in the spirit of their families. Today we would like to know here that how did it feel for you and your family to witness this personally, the tribute given to your father?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for having my mama and I here, and my sister couldn't join us, but she's watching us, and she's watching us online. So first of all, I would just like to thank all of you on our behalf for giving us just so much love and so much warmth. I actually, I had so many thoughts. I knew what I wanted to say. I had a few things in my mind, but just being here among you all and witnessing this here right now, I feel quite overwhelmed, and I feel really so moved and so honored that even though it's been 31 years to the fateful day when we lost my father in action, we continue to remember him, and in the way that the Border Roads Organization and the Indian Army has continued to keep his good work and his indomitable spirit alive, and immortalizing him in this form here, which Mama and I were fortunate enough to see in person in Srinagar. We were there just about a week back, and we witnessed this beautiful memorial that's been created. I really feel like there is no better place than the Army family, and there's no better sense of belonging than being from the Army family. Absolutely. So Thank you again. We couldn't have asked for anything more. We lost Papa under very, very horrible, unforeseen, untimely circumstances, and one was too little to even assess at that time what really happened, and it's difficult to articulate in words. But I do know that if there is a way for someone to stay alive in the consciousness of people, be an example, even in absence, there can't be a better way than this. So thank you again from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was beautiful and heart-touching. Nimrit, you've often spoken about growing up in an army household and एक posting से दूसरी posting, नए दोस्त, नई place, नए चेहरे, and that constant adaptation. So, do you feel that discipline and resilience which you got from the Fauji background helps you take a decision today and make choices when you have to take decisions?
Well, there is no bigger gift actually for a girl or a boy, when you're stepping out in the real world, and वो होता है, एक army family और एक army cantonments में जब आप, बड़े होते हैं, वो एक environment बहुत अलग होता है, it's almost very protected, it's very innocent and extremely naive. So when you step out into the real civil world, जो एक cultural shock होता है, उसको आप, nothing really prepares you for that. And when you really gather all your experiences from these different postings, being moved from school to school, हर 2-3 साल में आपको नए बनाने होते हैं और नई जगह जाके you have to kind of establish yourself and your identity. That time, what you gather and what you learn is what you carry forward for the rest of your life. And this is something I learned जब मुझे दिल्ली से मुंबई शिफ्ट होना था. तो एक कंडीशनिंग होती है कहीं पर कि आपको किसी चीज से डर नहीं लगता. आप जानते हो कि किसी अननोन टेरिटरी में जाकर कैसे अपने आप को establish करना है. How you grow your roots no matter where you're planted. That is something only the army services, actually, not just the army, Air Force, naval services. That is something which I don't think you learn anywhere else. जो एक बिल्कुल एक बिंदास जिसे बोलते हैं ना, एक simple word, कहीं भी जाके आप try जरूर करते हैं. You're never afraid to make an attempt. That is something I know that I learned subconsciously, those 11-12 years that I got to see in the Indian Army life, moving with Papa from place to place. So that is something I carry, and my love and obsession with being on time. So today, just a little anecdote. आज सुबह जब मैं तैयार हो रही थी तो मैं works backwards और हमारी लाइफ में ऐसे ही होता है कि तरह से you have to like 4-5 घंटे निकालने होते हैं, देन उसके बाद आपको डिले का तो होता ही है. हम वो डिले का 1-1.5 घंटा हमारी जो प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में वो लेके चलते ही है, वो मार्जिन होता ही है. तो हम लोग अपने टाइमिंग्स जो है उस हिसाब से चलते हैं. सो माय वेरी डियर फ्रेंड एंड फैमिली लाइक कॉलीग हियर श्रद्धा इज हियर विद मी हु गॉट मी रेडी दिस मॉर्निंग एंड आई सेड श्रद्धा आज टाइम से आज कोई डिले फैक्टर नहीं होगा. जब 11:25 का अराइवल यहाँ सेट था तो 11:20 we were here. So that is something that you can't take out of an army kid. So that becomes problematic when we are working on set and जब हम लोग अपने प्रोफेशन में होते हैं तो वहाँ पर तो सब कुछ डिले के साथ ही चलता है. So ये जो एक चीज़ है ये मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है. I personally love it. And आज मुझे वो थोड़ा सा वो मसल फ्लेक्स करने को मिला कि I was ready on time.
So nice. The discipline, I mean, yes, जी, absolutely. अब इस मौके पे I'll also ask you कि there has been your favorite posting place from those 11-12 years which you spent.
Tough because हम बहुत सुंदर जगहें रहे हैं. But Arunachal Pradesh, anyone from Arunachal here today?
There must be
anyone.
many, yeah.
But Arunachal was just stunning. मैं बहुत छोटी थी उस वक्त. Mama has told us some beautiful stories. एक इंक्योंग नाम की जगह है वहाँ पर. तो उस वक्त and I remember I have watched while I was rolling in the meadows वहाँ पे बिल्कुल wild wilderness बहुत सुंदर है वहाँ पर far east में. So there and this was I think the mid 80s I want to say and I recall really watching in front not very far away from me within permissible distance late Mr. Rajiv Gandhi landing in his chopper. He had come there for a rally and those were the kind of images and glorious kind of times that I have seen there. This young river, the beautiful aqua green water and वहाँ पे इतना those big lush ferns and oranges and pineapples and that's the kind of sort of core memory I have from there. So that has to be my most favorite.
Wonderful, wonderful. Your journey indeed has been incredible and wonderful. From music videos to ad films to staging with some of the finest actors of the theatre. And then of course we all know came The Lunchbox, which got premiered in 75 countries after its premiere at the Cannes Film Festival. So how do you look back and see this, how do you see this journey evolve? What really inspired you to become an actor and carve your own space in that?
Well, to be honest, I don't think there is really that one day when you realize you want to be an actor, especially if you come from a non-acting background. I haven't grown up around actors or I have no prior exposure to. My family has engineers, farmers, soldiers, nowhere close to anything that I do. So I think it was somewhere brewing, at a very subconscious level. Because as I was changing schools and going from place to place, एक चीज constant ये थी कि I was always on the stage. I was always performing, doing something or the other. Elocution, debates, plays. It was only after college, once I passed out, that I realized कि अब पढ़ाई नहीं होगी. अब मुझसे पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाएगी और मैं नहीं चाहती थी. शायद एक क्या होता है, process of elimination होता है, when you kind of realize that this is something वो मेरे से नहीं होगा, मेरे से 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं हो पाएगा, मैं वही एक रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी के लिए नहीं बनी हूँ शायद. At a personality level, it takes a very different kind of grit and resolve to do that. और मैं थोड़ी सी ऐसे mindset से हूँ कि मुझे एक चीज से दूसरी चीज, एक project से दूसरे project, kind of like the border road, from one project to the next, one bridge to the next airfield to the next road. So I'm a little bit like that. तो मैं अलग-अलग challenges को ज़्यादा पसंद करती हूँ. And then when I combined all of that in my very young mind at that time, which couldn't really figure out कि मुझे करना क्या है, मैंने सोचा, मैंने मम्मा से पूछा, मैंने कहा मम्मा मुझे बॉम्बे जाने दीजिए, because मैं थोड़ा देखती हूँ अगर 6 महीने वहाँ पे कुछ कर पाई, so if I can earn a living, then I'll stay, otherwise I'll come back and I'll try and see what I want to do. God was very kind. I think the universe had a good plan in mind for me, and I started off with music videos and then ad films, and now in hindsight everything seems like 2020 vision, but of course there were tough times, of course there were pitfalls, and of course there were days when I was wondering कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, I wasted my education, what am I doing, should I go back, should I in fact be doing a 9-to-5 job? But there was something that kept me going. I never broke. I never came to a point where I gave up. And that is something that I think again is instilled in you. You know, when you're growing up, looking at your father put on that uniform, no matter what happens, going on day after day after day, putting his life second, you know, many times when he was in the midst of not suitable circumstances. And I'm sure I don't even know about more than half the things that he went through. But कहीं पे वो एक messaging और एक life lesson आपके घर में exist करता है. So that is something that I think carried my, you know, life journey forward and continues even today. Challenges don't stop; they just take different shape and form.
Absolutely, you carved your space in the international space also. You know, you are into Hollywood with a number of series, which a very few Indian actors have been able to do. So, what has been your favorite role till now? Is it from the Bollywood, Hollywood, or theatre? What have you really enjoyed working on?
Well, I have done a bit of work here and there, but there is a series called The Test Case.
Yes, of course.
Which is the closest to my heart because I play an army officer there. I
you
play a
donned the
para
uniform
commando.
there. Round of applause at this.
And जिन्होंने नहीं देखा प्लीज देखिए आपको बहुत मजा आएगा वो देखने में. And the best part about that is that it continues to live on in a beautiful way where young uniformed girls at airport security or, you know, in fact in the Indian Army, मैं कितनी लड़कियों से मिली हूँ who have told me that they actually joined the army or the services because they watched that show.
Yes, indeed. It
So-
did ignite a conversation around.
It was only
having-
after that, you know, girls were inducted into the paramilitary forces and, you know, big changes came about after that. So that is the closest to my heart and that's the only costume I have retained because it didn't feel like a costume. You know, the OGs I have, those I still have and I have that with me.
How lovely. You know, here at Border Roads, the motto is, in the silence of our great mountains, work speaks. BRO का नाम बहुत ही tough terrains में होता है. उसका काम भी बहुत ही tough and inhospitable conditions में भी होता है. But behind that every man on the field, there's always a woman back home managing everything, holding all things together with strength and grace. And today we celebrate Roa's Silver Jubilee on this occasion and celebrate the women which are behind those men on the field. So I would like to know, what is your take on the women empowerment and what does women empowerment mean to you in real sense?
That's a really lovely question actually, you know, and firstly I would like to congratulate all the women who put up this beautiful day led by the wonderful Sumita Raghu ma'am. Thank you so much for putting up such a beautiful show and for making us witness all the silent heroes, you know, behind the scenes. And yes, I think the strength of women is often reflected, I feel, in the abandon with which the officer can go out and serve his nation. Because if he is not secure somewhere about his base camp, if I may call it that, I don't think he would be in the right state of mind because you literally sign your life off, you know, when you're on the border, when you are leaving your home, sometimes you don't even know कि आप वापस आएंगे या नहीं आएंगे. And our family unfortunately is a living example of that. And I know that there is no bigger example to me for resilience, strength, for true character than my mother here. And I really would love to honor her here today as part of the Indian Army family, as part of this room here today. Because without her support, her encouragement, her resilience, and just her spirit to go on from day to day, in spite of what happened, is something that is the stuff that legends are made of. I truly believe that women of soldiers, of their, you know, soldiers' wives, their mothers, sisters, wives, if they don't provide the kind of rock solid, steely support, you know, the soldier has, knowing that मेरे बच्चे घर पे ठीक हैं, वो स्कूल जाएंगे, उनको टाइम से सब कुछ हर तरह की फैसिलिटी दी जाएगी, everything is going to be fine back home, and when I come back, I will meet my happy family back home. Without the resolve of the woman of the household, it's not possible. So my salute and my absolute gratitude, all the women here who brave all these circumstances, who go through adverse possibilities that, you know, unfortunately come true for some of us. My salute and my deepest gratitude.
A round of applause for each one of us here sitting in this hall. Your story in itself, Nimrat, is absolutely, you know, from being an army daughter to shining in Bollywood as well as Hollywood. Exactly what the spirit of Border Roads is. You know, Shraman Sarvam Sadhyam. With mehnat, और ग्रिट एंड रेजिलियंस सब कुछ हासिल हो सकता है। सफर जो आपने लिखा है अपनी पहचान से, बन गया है मिसाल रोशनी हर अरमान से। And now I think it is the right moment to open this guftagu to the audience. The audience here, dear audience, if you always wanted to ask a question to Nimrat, today is the day. You can raise your hand and pour in your question. Anybody in the audience? I think I can see a few hands up.
Hello
Please.
Nimrat, good afternoon. I'd like to know if you were given an opportunity to share screen space with anyone in this world, past or present, whom would you choose to work with?
That's a tough one, ma'am. But the thing is that my dream actor to work with has been Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and I have had the great fortune to work with him in a movie already, jokingly in time release hope. So I think maybe Guru Dutt Saab. I would have loved to work with him.
Oh, wow. Anybody else? Yes.
Hello Nimrat, I also have a question. See, when you're shooting, you're very busy, but when you're not shooting, then what is your guilty pleasure? What do you like to do when you're not shooting?
मैम गिल्टी प्लेजर के बारे में वेल जब मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही होती हूँ वो गिल्टी प्लेजर नहीं कह सकती क्योंकि मैं एक्चुअली अपनी लाइफ में बहुत बैलेंस रखती हूँ विद कीपिंग माई स्पिरिट sort of saved and protected from the madness that unfolds when we work. What I love doing is going for treks, hikes. I go for different kinds of classes like Kathak, pottery. I work out, every day of my life if I can. I think physical fitness is extremely important. Strength training, walking, some kind of movement because a healthy body is what, precedes a healthy mind, I think. So, मुझे खाने पीने का बहुत शौक है मैम, मेरा मीठा मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So one odd day when I really want to go crazy, I can finish off bricks of ice cream and मिठाई के पूरे डब्बे खत्म कर सकती हूँ मैं. तो वो अब थोड़ी सी मैं अपने आप को डिसिप्लिन करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि ना करूँ. But yes, my guilty pleasures are involved mostly with desserts. So those are things I end up doing sometimes.
Your discipline is also an inspiration to us, to work out if you have some guilty pleasures. Okay, any more questions? अब जाते जाते on behalf of the audience मैं एक और सवाल पूछ लेती हूँ. If you had to put one message on a big billboard for the whole world to see, what would you say?
Well, this is something that, sir, you shall relate to, Raghu sir, and hopefully others will, pick it up as well. So, दो लाइनें हैं जो मैं चाहूँगी एक बिलबोर्ड पे हो कभी. मौन में अग्नि, धैर्य में विजय, निडार कर्तव्य पथ पर अग्रणी अजय.
Wow, wonderful. That's so sweet.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time. One more time, we need to applaud for Miss Nimrat Kaur, an actor, an inspiration, and सबसे बड़ी बात, a daughter of our very own fraternity. Thank you so much, Nimrat. You reminded us that चाहे screen हो या जिंदगी, खूबसूरती, discipline, and self-belief से कुछ भी हासिल हो सकता है. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, and I do want to point out that the colors I'm wearing today are in honor of the border roads. And this was an idea given to my mama by her best friend and my very dear aunt Bindu auntie. Too bad she can't be here with us today, but my love and thanks again. Thank you so much, Raghu sir and Sumita ma'am. Thank you for keeping us a part of your family long after Papa was gone, and long live the border roads. Thank you.
Actually, our part.